Today is October the 30th, 2021. John Deere strike still going on. We're scrambling to keep dealers and producers supplied with parts that they can't get. Biggest part of the day today, we're just trying to help dealers get the parts, transmissions, this Gudgeon, engines, etc. So this Gudgeon is on back order. We're told that maybe you won't be able to get it till the first of the year. Hey, if things change, great, not a problem. We're still going to sell the parts the way we've been selling them. We haven't jacked up prices, but on this one we don't always sell just the Gudgeon. So we're going to show you this conversion kit or this update kit. So if you have a standard tractor, then it would have came with a bushing style Gudgeon, which is probably why it's gone bad, unless it's heavy use. But all your scraper tractors would have come out with a bearing style. You can't tell that here, but when you go from the cast, or when you go from bushing to bearing, you've got to update the spindle. So the spindle is just about impossible to get off and on of the frame. So we don't sell a lot of frames unless there's been a wreck or something crazy. So what we do is we charge for the Gudgeon, we charge for the spindle, and then basically we calculate a labor savings to just give the Gudgeon, or give the rear end to you. But the bottom line is it makes it for a faster repair. Here we've even started leaving, the steering cylinders don't sell, so as long as they're good, we even leave them in there. So the main thing we need to know here, we need to know the diameter. You will have a 2.5 inch pin or 3 inch pin. Some of these tractors and some of these castings you can convert. Like this one you could here. You punch that out, it makes it 3 inch. You punch that out, it makes it 3 inch. But what happens is the frame jacks you up. So the Gudgeon is a little bit convertible, 2.5 to 3 inch, but you can't overcome the frame of the tractor. So that's important. But either way, you can still go from bushing to bearing, and hey, vice versa. If you just had to, if you had one bad and you couldn't get it out, just go reverse. Anyway, we can get you fixed up on these. Part numbers, should have been ready for that, I apologize. Here is looks like an R54777831, 276842. I know that there's a R547701, I believe, which is what we were told was on back order today. This one here actually came, well, there you go, there's a serial number. It's come off of 2013 9560R. Oh, here we go. There's our kit number, RE259717. Now I don't remember if that's the frame or the, I don't know what part that is, but anyway, if we can help you out, get you going, give us a call. We get it shipped out the same day. Thanks for watching.